Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can modify weather in Fish It Roblox. So if you're tired of waiting for the rain to catch the legendary toad, or do you need a clear night for the star snail, here I'm going to show you the steps to change weather in Fish It. So first you can just click on the weather machines at the top right here to access the weather. So there are 6 options in here. You can see there are 3 available slots because this is my private server. So you can just choose which weather that you want. For example, I'm going to increase the road speed using the wind weather. So just click on this coins to pay for it. So I need to pay for 10k coins for the wind event, and if you want to add more, you can see the prices are different on each items. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.